Story. One day, Square and Monkey walking through a forest. Suddenly, they saw one balloon. One day, one boy did not have a bag and a red apple. But to eat some, but too lazy. My name is Sadhvi. I am telling you about mango story. Mango is a king of fruit. Rabbit and father. One day, rabbit and tortoise fell play. Once upon a time, green forest, little rabbit so hungry for stuff. One day, little girl, their name is Sarah. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vivaswati. I am from first standard. Once upon a time, a crow was very thirsty. ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕಡಿಯುವಾಗ ಕೈ ಜಾರಿ ಕೊಡಲಿ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿತ್ತು. ನೀರೇ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು. ಅವಾಗ ಆನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮೃಗ ನೀರೇ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು. ಅವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿ a child wolf will never get you. Daddy is watching. He will kill the back. My wife has put her bird in a pony. So the monkey hopped on the back. It hopped hidden in a house in the woods. She found books and games. She introduced her friends. The storyteller tortoise and rabbit. The tortoise is going slow. The rabbit is run and going. The horses, there was every time fighting. One day, farmer get bundle of sticks. Lion was sleeping. The mouse started playing on it. The story name is Cat and Tiger. The tiger is asleep. A foolish lion. There was a big forest. There are 4 animals. Rabbit. I like books. I really do. Book with stories and pictures too. Book. We always try to copy other animals. One day he saw crow. The crow was sitting on tree and doing nothing. The rabbit thought there was an empty story book. The book looked great with an interesting cover, but all its pages were blank. 2 goats are crossing the bridge. One goat wants to go left side, and one goat wants to go. There was a small little kite. It looked at the big kites in the sky and said, Robin and his parents. When Robin was born, has Robin ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಕೊಡಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದನು ರಾಮಪ್ಪನು. ಇದರಿಂದ ಸುಳ್ಳ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಹೇಳಬೇಡದು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. Of course, the apples didn't fall, and soon John was very, very hungry. ಆ ಮಡಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರಿದ್ದು ಅದು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು. ಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕಿದ್ದ ಕಲ್ಲನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಕುಡಿದಿತ್ತು. ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತಿಕೆ. ಒಂದು ಊರಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಜನ ಇದ್ದರು. ಗಂಡ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಇದ್ದರು. This story teaches that we should treat everyone who is different from you. You should treat your friends and family fairly. When you do that, your value increases. Thank you. And lion catched it and put it in the net. And the mouse started with his teeth. He was very happy and he took it and he gone to his home. The moral of the story is honesty is the best policy. ನಾನು 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಕಥೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಚಿನ್ನದ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಒಂದಾನೊಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಶಿಯಾರ್ಪುರ ಎಂಬ ಒಂದು ಊರಿತ್ತು. ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳಿದ್ದವು. ಆ ಕಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದು ಆ ಮಡಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿತ್ತು. ನೀರು ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದವು. ಅದು ಕುಡಿದು ಹಾರಿ ಹೋಯಿತು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಜಲಕನ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಮೂರು ಸಲ ಒಂದೇ ದಿವಸ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ರಾಮ ಶ್ಯಾಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಿಂದ ಮೂರು ಸಲ ತಿಳಿದು ಅರ್ಜುನ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸರಿ ಇಂದು ಕೃಷ್ಣ 2 ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು Bedo has my son Father. Today I am telling about a fairy tale. One day, a fairy tale goes to a flower. He was the lazy John in the entire town. His name is John.
The Guru played a golden every day soon. The man became rich man.
Hey!